So now we're actually in the heart of the sensory gardens, part of our organic gardens at Samara Hills. Just for bearings, behind the camera we have a hospitality hotel and the classroom, and behind me we have cooking school. So here you can probably make out a bamboo structure. That's a local Lombok company, very talented guys in the background here, hand making, hand crafting the sculpture behind. So the concept here is, it's part of our hospitality program, community empowerment program. This is going to be a training facility for anyone that wants to learn, train up as a chef or a sous chef or a kitchen hand. So it's an opportunity whereby we as a company will sponsor the local community to come in and train under executive chef supervision, basically. So learn all about rich Indonesian dishes such as nasi campur, beef rendang, but also the international cuisine, because we're going for a very international community at Samara Lombok. So here inside the building we'll have a pastry section, an Indonesian section, a dessert section, an international section. So that will be run as a training program throughout the next 2 years, which is why we build now in a similar vein to the spa, to the classroom. So we've got 2 years to build out all of these beautiful villas and the facilities, and during that time we want to give the opportunity to the local community to help themselves, train up as a chef or a sous chef or a pastry expert, and then offer them a job with us, a salary paid job, as we open up as a hospitality brand.